Hey guys, Tony. Good morning. It's the Forex EA first overnight session that we've had. I was debating whether I should make these videos once a day to just kind of let you guys know how I performed throughout the whole day, or twice a day, one overnight or basically in the morning, and again one in the afternoon where I posted the first one from yesterday. So 6, 7, 8 o'clock at night or something. I'll have to decide when. But I actually decided on twice a day. Because I wanted to see how it actually performs on different set of time frames, which I actually haven't tested myself. So this would actually be a really good kind of journal to keep, to kind of have a really good sentiment of whether this EA performs better at night, overnight, or during the day, right? Because there's I think there's the New York set, the Euro session, the international, and then I think the New York one. I'm not 100% sure what the sessions are and what the times look like. I'll have to look into it. But quick update: we did make $14.73 overnight. Again, this Forex EA is built to basically make cash overnight. No, not just ongoing, right? It's built to make money basically doing nothing on your part. That's the reason that this is what a Forex EA is. It's essentially, I don't want to say it's like a trading bot, but it's more of a it's not necessarily a trading bot. It's more of an automatic what is it called? It's more of an automatic position taking depending on certain metrics, right? And I know bots tend to usually do the same thing, but they work in different ways. But this EA, again, I'm only running on gold, and technically I am a little over leveraged because I only deposited, I think, what was it that I showed you guys? I deposited like 970 bucks. So currently we are up $14.73 just overnight. This is the first session again. But again, I am a little over leveraged because technically I should only be using this with an account size of minimum like $2,000 or so. So again, I'm just recording the journey, or recording as a journal, just to see how it performs in the morning and comparing that to the afternoon. But so far, pretty good results. $14 by basically me not doing anything. So again, this test is gonna be a month-long out test, and then once this test actually gets passed through, depending if it blows the account or not, because we don't know that yet, right? Every single month is different. For the past 6 months, I've been testing it. It's been doing great, but we don't know if this month specifically something bad can happen, right? You never know. So that's why I wanted to actually showcase the EA and see how it performs this month. So we started mid-July. We will be ending this test sometime like mid-August, and then I'll still keep the videos up after that. But I think a month from now, if the performance is good, then I will be releasing it and letting you guys know exactly what it is. But yeah, that's basically it. $14.73 overnight. I will be releasing another video later tonight just to let you guys know how it performed from morning till the afternoon instead of the overnight session. So I'll see you guys later.